Hello guys, welcome to 𝐂𝐥𝐶𝐬. My name is Vishal Mankar and today we are gonna learn about the first video of our Apex from Scratch playlist in English, and the title of the first video is Introduction to Apex. So let's start. So the Apex programming language is the Salesforce programming language which is used for coding and writing business logic in Salesforce. Like we write the code and other business logic using the Apex programming language in Salesforce. For example, let's say we have to write an Apex code for automatically sending emails when a new customer record is created in Salesforce. So we can do that using the Apex language. And third is, Apex language is similar to the Java and C# programming language. It is specially built for Salesforce only. It will not work for any other technologies like Java or C, C++, etc. Second is, what is Apex? Apex is strongly typed. What is meant by strongly typed? Strongly typed means it follows strict rules about data types and use concepts like classes and objects which organize our code clearly. And Apex lets us to write code that runs on a Salesforce cloud, so it always fast and scalable. We can scale that code. And Apex is an object-oriented programming language for Salesforce. We can use Apex to write code and business logic in Salesforce. Okay, and Apex is designed for Salesforce only. It will run only on Salesforce platform. It will not run on any another platform like Java, C#, C, C++, Python, etc. Next is Apex language versus other programming languages like Java or C#. So here the syntax of Apex is similar to Java and C#, and it will be easy to learn if you already know them. Okay, and then Apex runs only on Salesforce platform, as I earlier told you, and Apex provides built-in support for Salesforce data operations. For example, let's say if you want to fetch the data from the Salesforce, then we can fetch it from the SOQL. Okay, and as you can see the example of SOQL query in Apex. This is the example of SOQL query in Apex. Okay, I will teach you in next videos about how to write an SOQL query, and also add the more videos about the SOQL. Just we consider this is an SOQL query that we are using. Next is, this is very important topic, that is, what is Salesforce Apex development process. So here we will first write the Apex code for business logic according to our requirement. Okay, then we test the code with positive testing, negative testing, bulk testing, and any another unit testing we perform on the code, so that we will make sure our code is working as expected and it doesn't break anything. Then once the testing is done, then we can deploy the code to the higher Salesforce org. For example, let's say in dev org we develop the things, and in QA org we are deploying the code for another testing. And in Salesforce we can fix the bugs and we can enhance our code as per our requirement. Let's say we have some enhancement or we got some bugs in our Apex code, we can fix it. Let's consider an example, like write a trigger for updating a field after record is inserted. So once the record is inserted, we want to perform some operation like updating a field. Then we can do that using the trigger automation we are writing into the Apex. Then yes, so that's all about today's video. So in this video, I think you get enough information about the introduction to Apex, and I think this is enough for you to get to know about the intro of the Apex programming language. So thank you so much guys, and if you are new to my channel or if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and please like, share and comment to my video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get the latest notification. And one more thing, I added the all the social media links into the description of this video, so you can join there also, so that you will get the latest notifications. And thank you so much guys.